Credit repair business. Now, you may be thinking of starting a business at the moment. That's why you landed in this video. You may be looking into starting your own credit repair business. Of course, you would want to ask yourself, why should I start a credit repair business? What's within this industry that would urge me to start a credit repair business? In starting a business, in any business, not just a credit repair business, but in any type of business, you have to think about your market. Is there a market? Are there clients? Are there possibilities of getting customers if you start this type of business? So let's look at the credit repair business now. In the United States, there's millions of people who needs help and assistance in improving their credit score, which is the main goal of your business or the main service of your business, assisting in improving clients or customers or consumers' credit score. So now let's go back to the question. Is there a market? Absolutely yes. Now let's talk about other key points that would help you understand further why this business is good and easy to start up with. This business can be started with low startup fees. Unlike any other business out there, you don't need to have a huge amount of money at the very beginning of starting up this business. You don't need to have a complete office setup, meaning to say you don't need to have to rent or to purchase a certain place for you to start your office or to start your business in. You can basically start your business online and start your business anywhere with the credit repair industry. You don't necessarily have to have an actual office. That's already a low startup fee saving out there. You have to be able to research through what are the startup fees of possibility of paying startup fees, which could include surety bonds, which depends on your own state law. And surety bonds is not that much. It only requires for you to pay a certain percentage of the surety bond. You have to look into your state law to check on this. Licensure. You also have to check on your state law to see if that's applicable. Now, apart from those couple of things that I mentioned, the rest of the fees that you'll be needing are the tools that you're going to be needing for your business. You don't actually need a whole lot of office supplies. You just need a couple of things. You just need a paper, you need an envelope, you need a printer, you need a computer to be able to work in. And it does not require for you to have a whole lot of things. That's why this industry or this type of business is a low startup fee type of setup business, because it doesn't require you to have a huge office space, to have a huge office setup. So that is why this industry or this business is really good to look at and start. Now let's talk about running the business. What could you gain from running the business, or what's in it for you for running the business? If you try to run a different type of industry or different type of business, that would keep you inside an office working 8 to 5 per day, or working 8 hours, or possibility of longer than 8 hours per day. In the credit repair business, you can enjoy life while running your business. It doesn't necessarily have for you to be in one space, in one office setup space for you to be able to run your business. You can travel and run your business. You can be on vacation and run your business. You could be with your loved ones and run your business. You could go out with your friends and run your business. You could basically go anywhere and run your business. That works hand in hand with you having to work at your own pace and time. This type of business gives you the luxury of working at your own pace and time, meaning to say you could basically run errands while you're working. You could basically do vacation while you're working. You could do anything that you want to do within the day because you can fully control what are the things that you're going to be tackling or what are the things that you're going to do per day. It doesn't require you to be on a certain set schedule repeatedly every day. You could basically plan out your entire week and have a lot of extra time in there to be able to do other things while you're running your business. You can work at your own pace and time. It doesn't require you for you to finish a certain task in a certain period of time. It completely goes to how you organize yourself, your own task, and your own business. Having said that, this credit repair business allows you to be your own boss, which is, for me, this is a dream of almost everybody. Becoming your own boss. Becoming to be able to work for yourself. Run a certain business that does not require you to be following instructions from other people. This allows you to be able to fully control what you would want to accomplish in a day, what you would want to be able to do in a week. This allows you to be able to have the freedom, the luxury of traveling while still running your business, while still being able to constantly provide the needs for yourself and your family. So I'm glad you went up until the end of this video. Thank you so much for listening through the video. Now, if you want to learn more about the step-by-step guide on how to start and run a credit repair business, you are on the right path because we are giving out a freebie or a free book that you could easily grab by just simply clicking the link on the description box below and grab your free book about starting a credit restoration business blueprint. It's a complete step-by-step guide on how you can run and start your own credit repair business.